Beautiful dogs.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, not the camera.
That's a really good shot.
Look, we got a guy coming in now on runway 2, and there's the air traffic control tower. And today we're not landing on asphalt. We're not landing on grass. We're landing on ice today. It's a good combo: yellow snow, runways, and airplanes, and ice. Welcome to Alton Bay, home of the only FAA-approved ice runway in the lower 48 states. Each winter, when the ice thickens to a safe 12 inches, pilots from all over touch down in its frozen marble, right on Lake Winnipesaukee. It's a true bucket list landing, surrounded by the breathtaking White Mountains. The locals, incredibly welcoming, always ready with a warm drink and great stories. Whether you're flying in or just watching the landings, this place is pure aviation magic.
Alton Bay traffic, Super Pretzel 999 X-ray, X-ray, turning final 01, going to be a touch and go, Alton Bay. Touch and go. Auburn Lewiston traffic 64228 turning left crosswind runway 35, Auburn Lewiston.
Alton Bay traffic, Skyhawk 766 entering a left downwind for runway 1, Alton Bay.
Watch the traffic for Foxtrot, Foxtrot next day. Auburn Lewiston traffic 64228 left downwind 35, Auburn Lewiston. Freiburg traffic, Sirius 51 Charlie, Whiskey departing to the east, final call. Freiburg. 16 South Charlie, 2 miles to the south at 2,800 descending. Inbound to enter the left downwind for runway 14, orange.
Redmond traffic, Cessna 01, uniform, turning left downwind to runway 21, minute man.
Alton Bay traffic, Skyhawk 766 turning left base, runway 1, Alton Bay. Alton Bay traffic, Skyhawk 766 final, runway 1, Alton Bay. slowly at the end there.
I'm assuming you're not using any brakes.
No. Not yet. Roll it out to the end.
Look at these beautiful houses.
Right.
Wow. This country.
Everybody on final Alton Bay.
Alton Bay traffic, Skyhawk 766, clear the active Alton Bay.
The amount of people, I couldn't believe the amount of people, spectators, who were here 2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
Just taking videos and pictures. It was unbelievable.
Just people from the area, I would say.
Yeah, yeah.
This has got to be the most exciting thing going on right now. Oh, Rick's got his beans.
Can I get anything else for you guys right now?
For coffee, you get a chance, no rush. Please.
Thanks for watching part 1 of Alton Bay. I'll see you guys next week. I'm excited to bring you part 2 of Alton Bay. Lake Winnipesaukee looks amazing on departure. See you next week. Hit that subscribe button and leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought about this video. Take care. Have a sparkling day.